The most common general benefit that people report is I bought Stemregen because I want it for my knee, but everybody's asking me what have I done to my face. Because your skin renews every month. It's one of the biggest consumer of stem cells. So the moment you put stem cells in circulation, they go to the skin and they rebuild back your ability to your skin to regenerate. Now we have developed an actual line for the skin. It's 3 consumables. So stem cell mobilizer like Stemregen, then collagen boosters, then collagen peptides. So these are all ingredients to basically boost collagen formation. Then we have a product that triggers sort of do-it-yourself microdermabrasion. So you create an injury to the skin. So now injury means I'm triggering repair. And on top of that injury, I apply stem cell growth factor to stimulate stem cells in the skin. And the stem cells that you've released before with the Stemregen product, you call them to the skin. So you get like an amazing boost of skin repair.